How to transfer XLM from Binance to Lobstr. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, just go to Binance first of all, and over here go to your wallet, and on your spot wallet you will be able to find this option of withdraw. Just click on it. After that, select XLM and now select send via crypto network. And over here you will be requiring some details. For that, just go to the Lobstr again, and after that just click on the three lines at the top left hand side corner, and now click on this option of receive. Then make sure that you select this option of stellar address. Just copy this particular address and go to the Binance. Over here just paste this particular address, and it will select the network on its own as stellar network. And in the field of memo, you won't require any memo while sending to Lobstr, and you can also check it up. Here it says that no memo required, so you don't need any memo for this. And over here just type the amount that you want to withdraw and just click on this option of withdraw. And this way you would be able to withdraw XLM from your Binance account to Lobstr account. And this is how you do it. And I hope this video was helpful. If you still need any help, you can always comment down below. Our team will be happy to help you out. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.